Alright, step one of cleaning the AC vent is to turn off electricity completely. I am going to leave the battery because that doesn't affect the AC. It does say to unplug online. I feel like I don't really need to do all that. So, let's see. Okay, electricity is off. Verify. Okay, well, I turned it off. You want me to come up there now? Or wait, let me get a container. Alright, so I'm gonna climb up this ladder. This is hard. Oh shit. Is this the filter? That looks disgusting. Let me see the toothbrush. Or I'll use this. It's okay. Yeah, I think it is this. Let's see.
I mean, I'm not trying to have stupid questions here, but, you know, it's the same. Well, the condenser looks like a radiator, so upon first glance. Because if I would have to take this off, that's going to be fun.
I feel like it's just this because it's only a filter, you know?
Yeah.
It's just more of a project because it's on top of the roof. Ew, this is my first time cleaning it.
Well,
I'm so glad you're here. It's not as complicated as I thought. If this is all that I'm doing. I see why they say don't take a pressure washer.
Yeah, it's very sensitive.
And I see why they say bring some soapy water too. I did get the special stuff that they said recommended for future reference or in case we needed it.
Well, we're gonna do this, see what happens. Hopefully we don't really... Oh, sorry, hiccups, heartburn, oh my god.
Maybe you want to sit over there, I don't know. Are you getting all the gunk?
No, I'm just getting heartburn from everything that I've had. Well, if that's all it is, then it's no biggie taking off the other one.
Yeah, we'll do this. Maybe what do you think? Should I, after this, should I just go inside and see if it feels any different? Or should we just do both and see what we feel? Because I think they both need to be cleaned anyways.
Again, that's a preference up to you, because if you use the one in the bathroom.
I do use the one in the bedroom. We have to do both.
Okay, that's fine. Not like it'll take long. And I don't think you really need the bucket at this point, right?
Well, I wanted the bucket to get all of that gunk right there, but like it's so little. I did push a lot of it off. That's why it looks like it's falling off. But like,
Gotcha.
Yeah, that could be a different day project. That's really not like a big deal.
Not unlike the tree branch that's fallen down from the trash truck.
This stripe wasn't out because it's dead.
I have to get Devin over here to trim down some of these trees.
I need to like re-level this so it's not tilted because it's kind of scary.
I mean, you are sinking, so...
How do I re-level this?
Absolutely no idea. But I feel like more gravel would be a good option too. And that's not difficult to obtain.
Yeah, it's not. I don't know if this is necessary. It doesn't look like it is. It's just a little nasty. Oh, I got it. I should clean this roof one day.
There's a lot of things that both of us need to clean.
But I'm not going to waste your time while I scrub away just because I'm random. Okay.
Okay.
Watch out, Will. I don't want to.
So I'm literally looking at you as you're about to do that.
No, it's okay. Just in process.
Sorry,
Hi,
I
Will.
ordered Huel last night.
You said
Earlier
what?
this morning. Huel that I was drinking.
Oh, yeah.
I ordered some last night, and then I got me thinking. It's great, but I managed to talk to help desk and be like, hey, is there any way I can cancel my order for now and order at a later date? Because that's what I need to do realistically. So maybe, but at the same time, I ordered the powder, so it'll be a little helpful for Jeremy anyway. Because that's why I ordered it, but I also wanted to get it for me.
Yeah.
But it's like, now that I think about it, I don't want to add too much new things to my Estomigo.
No, I understand that.
I mean, Huel actually something I should be drinking. It's what the body needs, like literally all
So
the
the nutrients.
Yeah, but
I do feel better when I drink those things.
Are you? Like, I feel great doing it, but it's like, alright, if my doctor didn't answer that question and kind of passed it over.
I know that the shade is nice, but let's...
Well, let me put this one back together if you're done with it.
Should we just... Yeah, I think that's all the filter is. It doesn't look like it's anything else. Like, really, I thought it was going to be a bigger deal. What size screw are you using?
I have no idea.
A regular one?
I would say that is a P2 or P3. Probably a P2, actually.
P2?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Good for me to know.
Or, no, that's a torque too, never mind. Sorry, and math.
Math?
Yeah, that is a P2.
Okay. Thank you, Will. You're always so helpful.
You are welcome. I try.
I'm just a girl.
Yeah, I was a girl in the life before me. So I have a birthmark on my foot.
Or maybe you got stabbed in the foot. For your laborious fruit. The fruits of your labor get stabbed in the foot.
There. Alright, that's on. Hey, buddy.
Oh, fuck. I didn't even see that. When did this get here?
I have no idea.
Well, it's going in the yard. Whee!
That is fucking creepy.
That really, that came out of nowhere. You were just sitting there, too.
Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, that is so bright. Holy shit.
You're the best, Will. Let me go get my water thing.
You're welcome. It's all part of maintenance.
Yeah, but it's my maintenance, and you're still helping me with the kindness of your heart.
What the fuck?
Oh, a butterfly.
Hold on. That's not. Oh, bueno, Apollo.
Bueno, Apollo.
Why are you being the best? Secondly, this screw is very clumsy.
Oh, I hope it's not stripped. Are you stripping it?
This was stripped before, but yeah.
Fuck, what are we supposed to do?
Hold on.
Can only half of it come off? It looks like this. You could just press down and like pull it off.
That's what I was trying to do before. Oh, alright. How's your hand?
You're good.
Except I didn't know exactly how to take this off. Hey, you have a flathead for a reason there, buddy.
There you go. Let me see.
Yep, you do it, because if you fuck it up,
then it's on me.
Yeah.
Let's not lose the screw. It doesn't come apart.
It does not.
No, it just slides. I feel it underneath. It doesn't. There is like a thing. Wait. Hold on.
I feel like it's meant to come apart in half.
Yeah, I think it is too. I feel where it could take apart, but it's not going in or out. That's the problem.
What if?
I don't want to force it, you know?
You're fine, it's okay. Hold on a second. I feel like this wants to... This one actually isn't bad at all. You can see it right here.
So just leave it? Oh, yeah.
It's fucking clean. I mean, there might be a little bit right here, but...
Where? Maybe I could stick. You know how petty? Instead of stressing ourselves.
Hold on. Stop doing that. Don't do that.
Why?
There's a beehive right here.
There's a beehive right there?
Right behind it.
Is it like are there bees coming in and out?
No.
Do you want to step back? Because if I risk it, that's one thing, but I don't want to risk you.
Can I put these screws back in though first?
Yeah.
That's alright.
You're good.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put these back in. That's fucking creepy. That's fucking brilliant. That's nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, note to self. You got a beehive up here, so
I do have some beehive spray actually inside. I could just spray it instead of torturing myself. I'll just spray it and run away.
But yeah, whatever screws these are, I'll get yours. Thank you, Laura.
Thanks, Camping World, for giving me shitty screws. Or a stripped screw.
No, I don't think it was stripped, because I remember, I'll just call them kumquats.
Yes.
Her kumquats in here before doing this, so maybe that happened before, and well, you know, just a note to self.
Yeah.
Put this other one back together now.
Yay.
Fucking see, Jesus Christ.
Oh, it feels so good to be in the shade, though.
For sure. And technically, when you turn this back on, it should work a hell of a lot better.
Yeah.
Then again, you are also not getting the full amperage.
The full what?
The full amperage to your RV. Full amps.
Oh, yeah.
Volts.
So that's probably, it's not working as hard, so that's probably why the filters aren't as bad as I thought it would be.
I mean, this one was.
Well, yeah, because I use this one all the time. The bedroom I do try to avoid. I don't have a, well, it's because at nighttime it's usually a little bit cooler, so I'm trying to, like, save on electricity and, like, not turn it on all the time unless it's, like, 80 at night. But
like it's gonna be.
Stop.
But it's okay. I have to make a trip to Harbor Freight one of these centuries, but once hopefully I get into FedEx, when I need to get my own set of tools.
I hope so. Do you think I could just pour this soapy water over and it's okay? Like if I do on this side?
Or yeah, because it'll just slide off.
Okay. Let me give you this screwdriver right here.
Okay, thank you. This I'm gonna yeet off the side if I don't need it, which I don't. But yeah, note to self, you got a beehive over that one.
Yeah, I'll spray it. I'll come back up here and spray it myself. I don't want you up here while I do that. If I get stung, I can make it. I don't know what will happen to you.
I'm fine. I'm not allergic to things that I know of. I never have done. I definitely don't want to find out though.
No, I'm pretty good. And it's gonna rain, so I'm not like, you know, gonna make this all nice, because it's just good to scrub once in a while at least. That's what I feel. And then also, like, I have the soapy water, so why not? There we go. Is that bad that's going over there?
No.
Okay, good. Well, it's weathered. Weather comes up here, so duh. Come on, Blondie. That this is a lot easier than what I really thought.
I mean, hey, I'm glad none of these bees nests that we found actually were activated.
Me too. No, come on. I'm so. Ugh.
That's fine. That'll come down anyway. I gotta come down though.
It's okay coming up. It's coming down that's kind of like, what the heck? Hey, Will.
What's up, bud?
It's risky, but can I drop this to you?
Yes.
Okay. This is gonna be kind of cool, actually.
That was fucking creepy.
I wonder how that actually looks on camera, I'm not gonna lie.
You're gonna see my boneheaded face. Make a weird face. And that's the adventures of the RV today there, folks. As Sketchy McSketchers climbs down from the RV.
I always get so scared of this, but at least I have you, so I feel more confident.
It's okay, don't be scared.
We got this. Good memory.
Adventure time. Shit, hold on.
Here. Adventure time! Fuck, that's scary. Alright, let's see. Will said there's wasp right here. Or hornet nest. Of course. Well, let me just take a precautionary and just spray around it. Oh no, there's no more left. Alright, I'm gonna throw this down. I'm gonna throw this down first. I don't know why I choose those areas. Alright, I'm gonna drop it again. Ready? Go!
Alright, you can climb down, monkey. Sketchy McGee over here. That's okay, I'm scared of the stairs too.
And that's how you do it.
Sorry, I didn't itchy.
You're good. Thank you, Will.
You're welcome.